Every day, Bay East makes a positive impact on our members, and together we made 2019 a great year. I'm Nancie Allen, and it has been a pleasure to serve as your 2019 Bay East President. Let's take a look back at some of the things Bay East accomplished in 2019. We made a difference in our communities by providing grants to first-time homebuyers, which helped with the closing costs of purchasing a home. We took care of each other with the Foundation Members Helping Members programs. Grants were distributed directly to Bay East members who experienced a catastrophic event in their lives. The Foundation also provided $26,000 in scholarships to 16 deserving students pursuing higher education degrees. We've continued to help keep members safe by providing safety apps such as Real Safe Agent and Cleared, as well as providing safety trainings in person and online. We've been hard at work throughout the year preparing the association to serve our members in the event of a disaster. As a first step, we move our servers and phone system to the cloud. These IT infrastructure changes will allow staff to serve you remotely in the event of a disaster that may impact our Pleasanton and Alameda member centers, and there are more plans on track for next year. We hosted more than 100 classes with over 1,300 attendees, learning about rent control, the changing market, accessory dwelling units, legal issues, and much more. Our Bay East Global Network's purpose is to expand members' business in multicultural and global markets. And in 2019, the network was awarded with a silver certification by the NAR Global Achievement Program. Bay East also received a 5-star commercial services accreditation from the National Association of Realtors by continuing to develop commercial services, engage members, and building brand awareness within the community. Our success and growth as an association is due in large part to members like yourself who believe in our vision to set the industry standard in leadership, innovation, professionalism, and service. And we always keep our mission statement in mind, which is to help our members succeed as real estate professionals. I look forward to seeing what next year will bring for Bay East and wish you all the best in 2020.